Sentral Station in Kuala Lumpur, and we heading for the Batu Caves. We're not entirely sure that where the train goes from, but we will try to show you in this video that how to get there. We checked already from the map, that is like a light blue line, is a commuter train that is going there. So we just need to find a place where we can buy the ticket. Oh yeah, we found a ticket booth. We go down to platform 5 and 6. Remember to keep the ticket because you need to scan yourself out also. Selling some souvenirs and stuff in here.
I don't remember because I go back then so young, and I just remember that the tour take us here, and then okay that you go to explore. And I remember that my cousin who take the Indian massage, which is when she was young and she used to have a long hair, and then I remember that they use the hand and his head like her head like this. This is really funny. And she have buy like a bag of the popcorn or something, and then she climbed to the stair with me, and then the monkeys have come and just took it away, and she's so shocked, and then like she almost cried. I think that's all I remember from this ride, but not so much.
Yeah, you should beware of the monkeys. They might steal your stuff. I just earlier saw that some monkey just took some shoe. People have leave the shoes in front of the temple, so took the shoe and throw it in the jungle. Here they sell some popcorn and some things to eat, and there's lots of pigeons. Plenty of tour buses, and I think that there might be a lot of people at the caves. And here is the entrance to the caves. Pretty big stairs.
We are about to start to climb 272 staircase. Wish us luck. I know I'm gonna sound like yeah, I knew
I
it.
think I'll be fine. Maybe.
And then I think I will gonna really have a good ass later.
It's like a good workout. So you need to take your shoes off if you're entering there, but if you go up the stairs you don't need to take your shoes off. And there's some forbidden things,
I
and
think we should go in the middle because it's not so much.
yeah, we will go from the middle, less monkey. This is how it looks. Oh damn. She already exhausted and we're not even halfway. There's a monkey.
How many steps we pass?
I don't know. Maybe we're halfway.
270. Lacks oxygen in the brain. No more delulu.
I feel pretty fine. I'm more used to the stairs.
Let's see when we come down.
Yeah. Let's see the view. We came all the way from down there. Pretty huge, pretty big cake.
Well, I was so admire due to the nature that this is how they create. Like, it's so unbelievable. Like,
Yeah. It's still hot in here, but it's a little bit cooler than outside. And
it's really
that is,
beautiful.
yeah,
Like natural light out there. It's going down like you go. It look like you go to heaven.
yeah. It's pretty beautiful place. They have like a small temples on the way here, and I think that they have a bigger temple up there somewhere. Let's go explore.
Jenny is gonna do the Asian way. Oh,
Get some protection from the sun.
yeah.
The sunshine is pretty brutal today. It's like almost clear skies, and yeah, it's just hot, and it's mid-noon. So what's your opinion about the stairs?
Terrible.
Yeah, pretty terrible, but it's bearable, it's walkable. The inside is pretty nice, but there actually nothing much to do except like seeing around. But it's pretty beautiful place. It would be good to have more information about the gods. Yeah, sure. Here is also a temple, and there's a monkey with the baby. Jenny got scared. There was a monkey go behind us.
Yeah, I don't like some close approach.
Yeah.
Close approach. I don't like. We fine. We don't close to each other. We cannot be friends. So like, I can say hello, but I don't want to be
Stay a
friends.
little bit far.
Yeah.
Social distancing.
Yeah.
Social distance.
Yeah.
We like social distance.
Social distance. Yeah, it's like live in Finland so long, so definitely have to be like Finland have changed me a lot. Like even though when there's a bus, they have like 3 row, and if somebody already sit in the first row, I'm gonna skip 1 row and I'm gonna sit in the last row. So that is how Finland changed me.
Yeah. We like our own space.
Yeah, you might see a lot of meme or like the pictures on internet that how Finnish line up for the bus. They literally 1 meter away from each other, and when
Or even more.
yeah, and for example, if it's in rainy and the booth is even not so much people, we still standing under the rain rather than go into the waiting booth.
Yeah.
That is totally me when I would just like to stay in the rain with my umbrella, because I have umbrella, so I would just stay outside rather than going to the booth with someone.
Back from the Batu Caves, and now we're heading to eating place. We jump off at Bank Nagara, and we need to take a little walk to the metro station, which is in there. Now we have arrived to the pudu area, and we will go to eat in I think it was a Chinese Sek Yuen restaurant. It's pretty near of the station, so let's go there and see what we can find to eat. Ah, it's this one. We have arrived to Sek Yuen restaurant. we order like 4 different dishes, and we took colas and 1 bowl of rice. Don't still know how much is it, maybe near 100 ringgit for all, but let's see. First dish have arrived, rice and barbecue pork, 2 different kinds. We still have 2 more dishes to come, and look like that we're gonna be pretty full after we eat this all.
I think definitely.
Let's try the noodles and pork. Pork is pretty good. Let's see, can I get... The noodles also really good. They have some kind of sauce in there. It's pretty good. Like it. So we done eating now, and I think so far for the whole trip, this have been the best restaurant we've been to. Nothing to take away from the others, they also really great, but I think these have been the best so far. We are getting some ice cream and lemon tea. Ice cream cost only 2 ringgit and lemon tea is 3 ringgit. It's a pretty good place. At least the ice cream is really good. Mixu.